Welcome back to 7th standard online class mathematics. In today's class, we are going to see the 5th chapter, that is geometry. In the previous class, we have learnt about angles and different types of angles, that is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and reflex angle, right? Yes. In today's class, we are going to construct an angle bisector of an angle. The first, how do we measure an angle? Yes, using a protractor, we can measure an angle. See, this is a protractor. A protractor has one center and a baseline, and it has two scales, namely an inner scale and the outer scale. An inner scale is from 0 degree to 180 degree and the outer scale is from 0 degree to 180 degree in the opposite direction, right? Yes. Now we are going to see the steps to draw an angle. The step 1, draw a line and keep the point vertex. And the second step, take a protractor and now place the center of protractor on the vertex. And the third step, keep a point at 40 degree. See, in the inner scale we have 0 to 180 degree, right? In that you just keep a point at 40 degree. And the fourth step, remove the protractor and draw a line. Now we get the angle for 40 degree. The same way we are going to construct an angle using protractor, right? Yes. Now we move on to our section. First, what is an angle bisector? Yes, angle bisector is if a line or a line segment divides an angle into two equal angles, then the line or line segment is called the angle bisector of the given angle. See, in this definition, what they saying that if a line or a line segment divides, we see an angle, right? That divides the angle into two equal angles, then that line is an angle bisector. If you see an example, it is more clear for you students. See, here I have an example. See, this is an angle, right? And this is a line or line segment which divides the angle into two equal parts. See, a blue color is an angle, the red is an angle bisector which divides the angle into two equal parts. This is the angle bisector of the given angle, right? Yes. Following this definition, we will move on to our exercise 5.4. First one, construct the following angles using protractor and draw a bisector to each of the angle using ruler and compass. The given angle is 100 degree. The first step for geometry is rough diagram, right? Yes. So I repeat a question and side by side I will draw a rough diagram. So construct the following angles using protractor. First you should draw a given angle with the help of protractor. For that, first we will draw a line. Just draw roughly. And mark A and B. See here, a line goes on, right? It has no end points. So you put a arrow. And next, using protractor, the given angle is 100 degree. So you mark 100 degree. I just draw roughly. And I name it as C. The given angle is 100 degree. Okay. Now next, and draw a bisector to the each of the angle using ruler and compass, right? So you should draw a bisector for the given angle. In the definition we have learned that the bisector means it divides an angle into two equal angles. So we are going to divide the angle into two equal angles. So that just draw a bisector line. Okay. Now we will move on to our FAR diagram. The step 1, draw a line 7 centimeter and mark a point as AB. The line does not have end point, right? So it goes on. Put a small arrow and using protractor mark an angle 100 degree in the inner scale. So see, here is 100 degree. Now join the line with the help of a scale and name it as C. The given angle is good 100 degree. Take compass with A as center and the radius is more than half of the length of AB, right? Now draw a arc. Okay. And mark the point of intersection as D on AB and E on AC. With the same radius, don't change. The same radius, D as center. Now draw a arc and don't change. With the same radius, E as center. Draw another arc and mark the point of intersection as F. Now join the line AF. Now AF is the required bisector of the given angle ABC. Therefore, now we are going to check the bisector is a two equal angles. For that, take protractor. Half of 100 degree is, yes, very good, 50 degree. So we will check angle ABF is 50 degree. See, this is 50 degree, right? So now our construction is correct. Are you clear, students? Move on to our construction part. The step 1, draw the given angle ABC with a measure 100 degree using protractor. Step 2, with A as center, the radius is more than half of the length of AB and draw an arc to cut AB and AC. Now mark the point of intersection D and E. Move on to our step 3. With the same radius D as center, draw an arc and the same radius E as center, draw another arc. Now mark the point of intersection as F. Now join AF. See, now AF is a required bisector of the given angle ABC. Therefore, now we will check that whether the two angles are equal, right? So when we check using protractor, if we get 50 degree. So therefore, these two are equal and now construction part is correct. Are you clear, children? We move on to our second one is 90 degree. The first step to draw a geometry is, yes, rough diagram. So, take a scale and draw a line roughly and mark A and B. A line goes on, right? It has no end points. So I put a arrow like this. Next, using protractor, the given angle is 90 degree. So I mark 90 degree and then I'm going to draw roughly angle and I name it as C. Now the given angle is 90 degree. After this, should draw a bisector. So draw a bisector line. It divides the angle into two equal angles. Okay students, are you clear? Now we move on to our FAR diagram. Take a scale and draw a line 7 centimeter and mark a point as A and B. Now take protractor the given angle is 90 degree. So mark 90 degree. With the help of scale, draw a line and mark C. And the given angle is 90 degree. Now take compass with A as center and the radius is more than half of the length of AB. So now draw a arc and mark the point of intersection as D on AB and E on AC. With the same radius, don't change. The same radius, D as center and draw a arc and E as center, draw another arc and mark the point of intersection as F. Now join the line AF Now AF is the required bisector of the given angle ABC. Now we are going to check whether the bisector has at two equal angles. So half of 90 degree is 45 degree, right? Take protractor and check whether the angle ABF is 45 degree. See, this is 45 degree. So our geometry is correct. Are you clear, students? We move on to our construction part. Step 1. Draw the given angle ABC with a measure 90 degree using protractor. And then step 2. With A as center and the radius is more than half of the length of AB. And draw an arc to cut AB and AC. See? Next, Mark the point of intersection as D and E. Move on to step 3. With the same radius D as center, draw an arc and don't change. With the same radius E as center, draw another arc. Step 4. Mark the point of intersection as F. Now join the line AF. Finally, AF is the required bisector of the given length angle ABC. Finally, we will check these two are equal, right? So, take a protractor and keep the midpoint as A. You check whether it is a 45 degree. Yes, this is a 45 degree. Now our geometry is correct. Are you clear, children? Children, I hope you people are clear and understood how to construct angle bisector of a given angle, right? Yes. We come to our end of this section is homework. Okay, now here we have a homework sums from the exercise 5.4. The first one, construct the following angles using protractor and draw a bisector to each of the angle using ruler and compass. The first one is A 60 degree. In the same way we are going to do this homework sum also, and don't forget to submit in the GCR. Okay students? Yes, thank you.